Oh, hey! Oh, shit. Oh. She doesn't like it. Oh, he ate the whole thing. No. These monkeys don't know. Oh my god, these are the better monkeys. So guys, okay guys, we're going exploring today. Yes sir. We're going to see the monkeys with Lee Hoi and the crazy lady from my live stream. She promised me and she's here.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. So I'm in this little neighborhood in Sihanoukville right now, guys. As you guys can see, it's pretty special, pretty cool. And the people up back here, they're so nice. Like this lady here, she just doesn't stop laughing. She's such a fun person. Dude, she has my vibe. She has my vibe. If you guys know what I mean. So the ride is gonna be like a good. How long is it gonna take? You think?
30 minutes.
30 minutes? Yeah. Damn, 30 minutes. All right. And this girl right here, she's so cute.
Hello, Lima.
Oh, she's so friendly. Wow, guys, look at this. This is it. Oh, wow, that's so beautiful. Damn, man, this place is epic, dude. Sihanoukville got it going on, guys. Jesus Christ, that's so good. Hey guys, look at this. This is huge. This is, wow. This reminds me of the Gold Coast of Australia, really. This is so beautiful. Wow, this is epic. Look, yeah, the Chinese, they were trying to take over here, but it looks like they're doing some cool stuff. They can see the potential. Sihanoukville has a lot of potential, right? It's a very beautiful place.
Oh, no, before only empty land over here.
Yeah.
Only the road like that, empty land. But
Now they have all this?
Yeah.
Wow.
Very quick and cool see, you know.
Wow.
But you see how easy.
Yeah. So much. Look at this, guys. Wow. It's all empty. It's all empty, guys. That's so sad. Look at this, bug. That's
Only that empty land, you know. Only empty land, but now so crazy.
crazy. Yeah.
You never know.
Wow, this is crazy. Oh my god. And nobody lives there. Only Chinese people live here. What? It's crazy. Look, and that's what they're doing with this building and this other building. Damn, the Chinese are taking over Cambodia, huh?
Yeah.
Stop. Yeah, no, you can't see the mountains anymore. Before you can see the mountains. Wow. Yeah. No mountains. But you got this friggin' big ass crazy thing. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. So guys, I think this is really like the Chinese area. Sorry about the wind, if you guys don't mind, but yeah, this is a real Chinese area. It's crazy. Wow. Look at this. That's crazy, dude. Oh my god. And no one lives here, guys. This is all empty. This is all empty. That's insane. Look. What the hell? That's crazy. She was in line when she said that the monkeys are literally on the street, dude. They're right there. Wow. Oh, thank you so much for bringing me here.
I stop by here. Look.
Okay. Oh, they also have the
Okay, we go down here.
That's all it has. Okay. Yeah.
Look, I can see maybe she likes by.
Oh, she loves it.
Look, wait, I go.
They have goats there.
Hey, don't you pass the road, please. Maybe.
Yeah, I got it. Don't worry. You stay still, okay? Nice to meet you. All right, hold my hand. We're gonna cross the street together. But wait, we gotta wait. We're gonna get some bananas first. Come with us. We're gonna get some bananas. Come on. Yeah. all right. We're gonna get some bananas first. Hey, it's okay. I'll get some bananas. You got it. Thank you. What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal?
I like monkeys.
You like monkeys? Oh, me too. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
I like monkey and dog.
And dogs? Yeah. What about goats? You don't like goats?
Huh?
Oh, hey, be careful. Hold my hand.
So I eat before monkey here.
Okay, so how does you're gonna eat it before the monkey eats it? Can I have a bite? Can I try it? Really?
Good, take off, take off, take off.
Sorry, you're gonna take it all?
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. How much is all that?
5,000.
5,000.
Yeah.
It's like $1.
Yeah.
Whoa, nice. Oh my god, look at the monkeys. They're so beautiful. Do you like monkeys? Are you a monkey person? Wow. Wow, they're so pretty. Wow, look how many. Oh, look at the little baby monkey. The baby monkey. Yeah. Oh no, I'm good. I want to give it to the monkeys. Oh. She doesn't like it. Oh, he ate the whole thing. No way. Poor monkeys. They have no chance. Yeah. Wow. This is so crazy, guys. Oh my god. Oh, good job. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. Oh, be careful. Oh, look at the big monkey right there. That monkey's like, I need 3 of them. Oh. Oh, you don't have to open the banana? They can just eat it like that? Oh, here. You can have this one, bro. Oh, he's like... Wow, they think I'm so fast. Oh my god, this is crazy. Guys, this is insane. Look how beautiful this is. Look at the little monkey, he's so cute. He's so cute. Hey, bro. Oh, he's so beautiful. Have some. Yeah, have some, bro. Have some. Yeah, that's for you. Yeah, open it up. Show us how you open it up.
No, open up.
Yeah, show us how you open it up. Oh, this one's great.
Wow.
Huh? Yeah, is that how you open it up? So, do you like the goats? Do you like the goats or no? Oh, look, that's with the little baby one. Oh, okay. Open it up, bro. It's okay. Oh, he's like, I don't like that one. Oh my god, he's so bad. Wow, this one's so beautiful. Oh, look at these guys. I think, ooh, they like to get pet. Oh my god, guys, I've never seen so many cool animals all at once. Oh, they're so scared. You want them to look at you? They look like you.
They look me like... Look on front there, look on.
There's more?
Look there.
Oh my god, yeah, there's a ton.
There, look there.
Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, maybe we should go there. So yeah, guys, this whole street is full of monkeys, obviously. Wow. The last time I was around this amount of monkeys, it was in Indonesia. And you had to pay to get in there and you had to like go inside. This is like really, you just stop across the road and you can just see monkeys and goats and wow. I've never seen so many monkeys. That's kind of, it's a bit sad, scary. I hope they're okay. I hope the little monkeys are okay. I've always been very fond of monkeys. Very, very beautiful animals. Look at this one. Yeah, thank you. It's very nice of you. Give me up with the banana all of a sudden. Thank you. Wow, look at all these monkeys. That's crazy. Oh, they're big. Be careful. Don't get attacked by the little monkeys. Oh, he's so cute. Yes, sir. They love it. Let's go. Oh my god. These monkeys don't know. Oh my god, these are the better monkeys. So guys, the farther you go up here, the monkeys are nicer. Look at them. We got Toho family. Oh shit. Oh no. Don't be like that, guys. Come on. We got bananas for everyone. Oh, we finished the bananas.
I finish myself.
Oh, we got no more bananas. All right, let's go buy some more bananas. Can we? Okay. That's so funny. All right, guys, we're gonna buy more bananas.
I ate more than monkey.
Oh my god! So I think she ate all the bananas, and she gave only like
Before monkey, I ate all.
like 1/5 of them to the monkeys. No, it's okay. Man, this is so cool. This is so beautiful. Wow, I didn't expect the monkey to be so oh my god. You were really right. There's a lot of monkeys here. Wow. Are you having fun?
Huh?
Yes?
You like fun? To buy?
Yes. Hello. Can we get one more of these? Right, let's go. She's not a monkey. You want banana, she said. She's so funny. Oh, we're gonna go there? Let's go. Yeah, let's just drive there. It's only like right there. Wow, I've never seen so many monkeys. That's crazy. Little buddy. Oh, look how cute they eat it. Eat it. Oh, look at the way they grab it. Look at the big one. Let the big one grab one. Yes, sir. Get it, son. Look at the way he eats it. Oh, so interesting. Wow. He's eating it, bro. He's so confident. He's like, what's up, bro? Yeah, put me on the internet. Why not? I heard that shit's good. It's like, I'm just gonna have a bunch of this. Look at, oh, this one's chilling stress, though. This one's good. Like, what's up, man? Just eating my banana. Shit, put me on TikTok. Maybe put me some Instagram video. I might blow up. I don't know. Heard monkeys eating bananas. Are good content. Oh, my bad. Sorry.
Why are you so angry? What?
No, he's not. He's good. He's eating his own thing. He's like, oh shit, alright. I'll take two. I'll take two. Look at the way he eats. It's so beautiful. Wow.
Oh my god.
And we got the whole family just eating right here.
Look, hey, look.
Oh, he's taking the whole bag. Oh, hey. Oh, shit. Oh, damn, he's attacking us. He's attacking us for sure. Hey. Oh, hey. Oh, hey, I'm kidding, bro. Oh, what's your little rabbit? Get it from him. No. He just wanted one. He just wanted one. Bro, I'll give you one. Oh shit. Oh man, I should not fuck with this guy. Oh. Damn, he's like, it's all mine. Whoa, you got robbed by a monkey. Oh damn, they don't fuck around. It's alright, I don't want to get rabies, so let's just gotta grab another bag. What happened? Hey, can you get it for us? I'm joking. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Damn. Oh, they don't even finish it. Anyways, we can record this, guys. Hey, little buddy. How you doing? Hey, it's my camera. It's just my camera. Look at this guy. He has two of them. He's like, hey, hell no. Get away from me, man. Let me have my own bananas. Damn. What's up, daddy? And this guy, he's like, oh, it's Thanksgiving. Holy shit. Look at him. He took all our bananas. It's okay, man. You deserve it. I'm proud of you. Wow. His teeth are huge, too. Man, I don't want to fuck with this guy. Look at him. He's so picky. He's like, nah, that banana sucked. I'll try the next one. We got bananas. We got him back.
We have
you want to go back to the... Yeah, let's go. Oh, look at this. This one's on... Oh, wow. Oh, damn. Relax. Wow. That monkey was on her scooter. That's crazy. Hey, buddy. Here. You want a banana? Just for you. Yeah. You're welcome. It's okay. What? What me?
What the fuck? Mickey Mouse!
Oh, that's so funny. That's so funny.
She don't want to eat banana. She want to eat you.
Oh, you think so? You don't scare? Are you scared of the monkeys?
Yes, I'm scared.
You think they're gonna catch you? Like, ah. Oh my god, this is so funny. This is a hilarious monkey experience. Oh my god. There's like all this whole row, guys. There's all monkeys. It's crazy. Wow. This is the place to go.
lông mày à?
He stole your banana?
Không có lông mày à?
He just stole your banana?
I don't know. Ooh,
Oh my god, that's so funny.
why?
We only have. What happened? We had 3 bananas. What happened to our bananas?
Left. No, take away. Over. Bye bye.
Look at him. Oh. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Damn.
I don't have anything for you to touch anymore. You take my hat.
There's no more bananas. You want to buy more bananas? More
I
bananas?
so much that you go look at that.
Yeah, let's go. All right, guys, this was really it. As you can see from all this road, there's monkeys everywhere. I'll try to leave a Google Maps link to the description, so if you do come to Sihanouk Lookville, just come to this pin right here and you find a street of monkeys, but it has to be in the evening, guys. It has to be in the evening. But I'll see you in the next video. Huh? Okay. All right, Christian Rodriguez.